Hello guys, it is Fishing Life back with Jill today, and I was actually headed to the creek to go fishing. And the second I stepped outside to grab the stuff to go, look what wanted to cut look what I had to rain. It is freaking raining like crazy. I am trying to see if maybe it'll just blow over real quick, because if it'll blow over real quick, we're still gonna go. So we're just trying to give that a little bit of time. So that sucks. I just wanted to go fishing. Darn it. Gotta keep grinding, you can't stop. We about to go down our wallet range. Sounds like someone down there with a darn weed eater. I don't know, we might still try going. I just don't want to roll off in a darn thunderstorm. Because if you don't know me, homie don't play with the thunder. No, no, no. Not today. It seems like it might try to go away though. Boy, the second it stops, we are headed out of here. I'll catch y'all in a little while after it stopped or whatnot. Well, guys, we're back and the rain quit, which is always a good thing. I think I hear a little thunder off in the distance, but we're still going to try going here fishing. So, I'll catch y'all, I guess, when we get to the creek. Well, guys, sorry, trash truck going by. But we are currently back at the creek, and our bait of choice today is bread. So y'all already know we gotta chum up the water. Oh my god, it's so hard to do this. Trying to open it. I definitely need to get my camera just to come videotape me. Alright, well, we almost got bread. So like I told you, I did tell you alright. Bait of choice is bread. So now we're gonna chum up the water. We're not gonna use the crust. See if something will hit that bread. We're chumming up it, but it don't look like anything wants the bread. I ain't seen nothing hit a piece of it yet. I know I just showed y'all the bushes for like 5 minutes just then. I don't think anything's gonna hit the bread. We're chumming up the wrong side. I ain't seen nothing hit yet. Well, instead of chumming up this piece, we're going to walk across the bridge. There is currently road work going on down there. And I don't know if it's illegal to fish while it's going on. So, hopefully we don't get in trouble, but nothing's hitting that bread. So we're going to take an extra piece just in case. But we might not have a good day of fishing here. I should have got some other baits. But this was really just an uncalled for fishing trip. Still ain't nothing hit that bread, and that bread's been there for a few minutes. Ah. So I'm throwing bread down there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but nothing's hitting it. I mean, nothing is hitting it. Literally. Water's moving probably too much. Way too much. There's a big truck coming, guys. Sorry about that. He probably made a lot of noise when he went by. I've thrown a lot of bread in here, and I ain't seen nothing hit on either side of me with me chumming it. And I'm chumming it good, too. Yeah, ain't nothing hitting the bread. Sorry, guys, but this here might be another fishing fail. There is like nothing hitting this bread. Walk back across the bridge. Hey guys, y'all think someone lost a bobber back there? Well, I guess I'm going to just finish throwing this bread in here because this is pretty much nothing but a fishing fail. So. Sorry, there's another vehicle. There's another one coming. So, I guess that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. I mean, we'll try fishing with it, but I don't think we're going to have very much luck. Ain't nothing hitting none of it. But see, earlier in the clip when I went to start the video, it was raining. And rain is obviously going to run through the trees and knock bugs out the trees into the water. So there could be a reason why there's nothing biting. I mean, it could be anything. Water level's a little too high. I mean, it can be just anything, so. There ain't much I can do. It sucks though having to put another fishing fell up. Well, we're throwing more bread out there. And I know my last video I posted, it was kind of messed up. But what happened was it was a 26-minute long video. And I had to trim it down some. And I ended up trimming it too much and didn't pay no attention. Thought it was perfect, and it come out it was too much, and it messed up the whole video. So I'm completely sorry about that. But so I'm gonna just throw this last piece of bread in, and I guess that's gonna be it for today. I mean, there's really nothing biting me. Y'all see me? There went my last piece, and that was a big piece. And like nothing is biting, so that kind of sucks. I probably should have checked water levels and stuff too before I came out here, but I wanted to try fishing. I think it's safe to say bread ain't the best fishing bait for down here. Ooh, we about slipped. You about to have a ride there, buddy. But not today. Well, we're going to currently walk our way through this. We'll actually wait for that car to pass, and we're going to hot this little piece of fence. So, well, I guess it's safe to say that that was a fishing fail. Hopefully tomorrow I can come down here and get in a better video. Thursday, I don't know if we're going to have a video Thursday, but we might have one Friday. But Thursday, I don't think we're going to have a video. I got some stuff I got to do Thursday, so we might not have a video. I just wanted to let y'all know that. So hopefully tomorrow, I'll try catching some grasshoppers again. And hopefully tomorrow we can come down here and catch another catfish or something. So, well, this is pretty much all I have for y'all. Like and subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. Tell your friends and all. Tell them to check out my channel if y'all think it's good. And remember, never stop fishing.